Good morning friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Today we are going to see the current affairs for 12th of June. Friends, in this video we are going to cover current affairs in details in the form of MCQ. So please watch the video till the end. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it to get regular notifications. Okay, so let's begin. The central government has formed a committee for the implementation of Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme, which will be headed by whom? So, this committee will be headed by Rajnath Singh. Okay. What is the amount allocated for Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme by the Government of India? So, rupees 3 lakh crore has been allocated, and for the implementation of the same, Rajnath Singh will be heading the committee. Okay. In which country the top two women's football divisions have gained professional status? So it has been gained in Spain. Okay. What is the rank of India among 200 countries on the COVID-19 safety assessment according to the report conducted by Deep Knowledge Group? So, India ranks 56th. Okay. And which country is the safest country in the world for COVID-19? So, it is Switzerland. And the most dangerous country in the world for COVID-19 is South Sudan. Okay, so you have to remember that India ranks 56th in the safety assessment of coronavirus. Safest country is Switzerland and the most dangerous country is South Sudan. Okay. What is the rank of IIT Bombay in the top 200 QS World University ranking? So it is 172. Okay friends, in this ranking, QS World University ranking, among top 200, IIT Bombay is at top position from India. Okay, and there are 3 institutes from India in top 200. Okay. What is the rank of IISc Bangalore in top 200 QS World University ranking? So it is 185th. Okay. What is the rank of IIT Delhi in top 200 QS World University ranking? So it is 193. Okay. Now, how many Indian higher education institutions have found their place among world's top 1000 in QS World University ranking? So, there are 21 Indian higher education institutes among top 1000. Okay. And there are 3 Indian higher education institutes in top 200. Okay. Which of the following institutes has ranked first in the QS World University ranking? So, globally, it is Massachusetts Institute of Technology from USA has got first rank in the QS World University ranking globally. Okay. So let's see at the glance in QS World University ranking 2021. It is topped by Massachusetts Indian Institute. It is not Indian. It is USA Institute. So it is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. From India, in top 200 there are 3 institutes, and in top 1000 there are 21 institutes. Okay, in top 200, first is IIT Bombay from India on 172nd positions. IISc Bangalore is on the 2nd place, and IIT Delhi is on the 3rd place. Okay. Who became the first person to walk in space and reach ocean's deepest point? Okay, so she is Kathy Sullivan. Okay. Where was Deep Submergence Rescue Vehicle Complex inaugurated? So it was inaugurated in Visakhapatnam. Okay, in the Eastern Naval Command. Okay, and Visakhapatnam is the headquarter of Eastern Naval Command. How much amount was approved by the Center for Jal Jeevan Mission in Madhya Pradesh? So, rupees 1280 crore has been allocated for Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And how much amount was approved by the Center for Jal Jeevan Mission in Jharkhand? So rupees 572 crore has been allocated. Okay, it is basically to provide tap connections to every household in the rural areas. Okay. Which minister has released 5th edition of National Institutional Ranking Framework Ranking 2020? So this has been released by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Okay, you have to remember that it was the 5th edition. Okay, it may be asked in your examinations. Now, which institute topped the 5th edition of the National Institutional Ranking Framework 2020? So, it was topped by IIT Madras. Okay, it is located in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Where did Asiatic lion population increase from 27% to 29%? So, it is increased in Gir Sanctuary, okay, which is located in Gujarat, okay. Which city has topped the Mercer's 26th annual Cost of Living Survey 2020 globally? So, globally it has been topped by Hong Kong, okay, and it is the 26th annual Cost of Living Survey, okay. Now, which city has topped the Mercer's 26th annual Cost of Living Survey 2020 among India? So, among India, Mumbai is at the top position, and among globally, it is Hong Kong, okay. Now, what is the rank of Mumbai in the Mercer's 26th annual cost of living globally? So, Mumbai ranks 60th. Okay, and among Asia, means in Asia, Mumbai ranks 19th. Okay. Okay friends, this were the current affairs for 12th of June. Please like our video, share with your friends as much as possible, and subscribe our channel to get regular notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.